everybody. I want to do a really quick overview of how to export a JPEG out of a PDF or just take a screenshot of it so that you can get what you need for your social media stuff. So first, how do you export a PDF into a JPEG? It's really easy. All you got to do is go to open it up in Adobe Acrobat, go to Export PDF, and this is the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. Go to Image, JPEG, Export. And then set where you want it to go. There it goes. Now, one thing I want you to know, I'll bring it over here on the other screen so you can see it. There it goes, right? So one thing you want to know about this is that when you upload a JPEG that's taller than it is wide, or just too tall for the space, Facebook will tend to shove it to the left and then have gray area to the right because it doesn't really know what to focus on. So when you have an image and you try to make it fit that space, it's going to cut off like the bottom half of it. So to avoid that, what we do is we open it up in Adobe Acrobat again, but here's the catch. You have your PDF, and PDFs are vector, right? So you should be able to just zoom in and see everything's still pretty clean, and then we'll scroll down to the part that we want to get for our social media post. Then using the snipping tool on a PC, and you can do, I believe it's Control Alt Shift and then the number 4 on a Macintosh to do the same thing, but you do the snipping tool, and then you would just grab the part that you need, and then you would save this out and use this as your infographic. And then you would upload that to your social media posts. So quick and easy, just letting you know how to do it. If you have any questions or you get stuck about a certain PDF or something looks a little wonky, I'm happy to take a look at it. Just shoot me a note in the comments below and we'll talk soon. All right, thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye.